What the... What are you attempting to do, by the way?
I'm attempting to scratch his stomach. Because every time I do that, he squirms.
No.
Nice ass shot, Jane. That's gonna make a very interesting video for you for Facebook.
No more.
Wait, Jane, I have a question. How do you upload it?
Well, if you're done it.
I'm not.
Wait, what? She done it?
If she's done with the video that she just took,
Oh,
you
no.
can upload it to Facebook.
I am de-tagging myself from that one.
Oh.
I'll make sure you're black.
What's his sister's name again?
Crystal. Just send it to her.
Can't send it to her if you don't have her.
I do.
No, don't upload to her Facebook.
Why not?
Because I don't want the douchebag of a boyfriend finding out.
I can take it,
No.
and you can't take it.
Yes, I can. I have her Facebook.
Yeah, I know.
Doo-doo-doo.
I can take it off of her. Stop playing with my nipple.
Your nipple.
Holy shiza!
Your nipple
You're gonna make me piss my pants.
is all the way.
I'll bite your fucking nipple.
Can we stop? No. I'm not even gonna attempt to get in there. I swear to... Not to be rude or anything, but it sounds like he's having an orgasm every 5 minutes when I was sitting upstairs. It was like, what the fuck are they doing down there?
Well, he still lives under the false pretense that guys don't moan.
I don't moan.
Sure you don't.
No, I do not. Okay, done?
No.
Okay, you're done now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done, okay?
I'm waiting for it.
So is he...
Oh, wait, you are ticklish.
No. That was her just giggling.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, no.
No.
You have to catch her, like, off guard, man.
You know how you can turn your back off?
What?
I can turn my ticklish spots off.
I can too.
Mm-hmm.
When you get me
So
going, though.
let's see.
Fuck!
You can turn them off, eh?
Yeah.
I'm,
Okay, I'm up.
I'm sorry not to be mean or anything, but you sounded like a chick there. You sounded like a boy, a gay boy.
Hey, this here.
I'm gonna, like, fall down.
No. Oh, buggy off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.